SCP-33 Object Class Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-33 should be inscribed on any single sheet of irregularly shaped and handcrafted paper, papyrus, canvas, or vellum when not involved in active observation or study. The dimensions of the paper-like product should have no parallel borders, no right angles, and no side's length should be equal to any other 033 safe dimensions. When contained in this matter, the paper-like product should be secured in a locked non-combination storage vault at least 30 meters from any computing or recording device. Logs for check-out or check-in of SCP-33 should be filed out at the minimum safe distance of 30 meters to avoid possible contamination of the paper product or electronic device the log is being kept in. When removed for study, SCP-33 can be copied to a white or chalkboard with 33 safe dimensions by Class D staff. Upon transfer to the white or chalkboard, the paper-like product that had contained SCP-33 should be incinerated. Observation and study should take place in a second conference room at least 30 meters away from any computing or recording device for the maximum 2,560-second viewing window. All observation or notes should be made on 33 safe materials. Under no circumstances should any notes regarding SCP-33 leave the storage facility or be inputted into a computer or recording device. At precisely 2,000 seconds of viewing, research must stop, and SCP-33 should be transferred to a new 33 safe paper-like product and returned to its storage by Class D staff. The white or chalkboard utilized in research must be incinerated as soon as possible after the transfer is complete, regardless of whether SCP-33 has faded naturally from its surface at 2,560 seconds. Whether 33 safe procedures halt or merely slow the deleterious effects of SCP-33 is unknown. It is theorized the irregular borders and half-crafting by mathematically unpredictable humans somehow disrupts the logic which allows SCP-33 to function. Description: SCP-33 appears as a field of complex mathematical symbols, ranging from a simple layman identifiable representations to those only interpretable by highly trained mathematicians. The sum of the symbols is equal to a previously unknown integer, designated theta prime by Professor Hutchinson, of intermediate value between redacted and redacted. As all modern mathematical calculations are performed lacking the knowledge or use of SCP-33, its introduction into any system organized without it begins eroding the numerical and eventually structural integrity of said system. This effect extends to SCP-33's transfer to any paper-like, defined as paper, vellum, papyrus, canvas, surface not possessing 33 safe dimensions, or any computing or recording device it is input into. If inscribed on any other material, SCP-33 fades into unintelligibility in precisely 2,560 seconds. In addition, SCP-33 has shown an ability to leap from a 33 safe material to a manufactured or electronic material which it can destabilize in at least one instance, Incident Report 33-D, requiring the institution of a 30-meter safe distance for electronic devices and paper-like products without 33 safe dimensions. There is currently no 33 safe specification for electronic storage. Redacted. Of the redacted. Operational research projects involving SCP-33 are dedicated to finding such a method for electronic storage. Redacted. Operational research projects are dedicated to the application of SCP-33 as a neutralizing factor for potentially hostile, machine logic-based SCP objects. Clarifying commentary from Professor Hutchinson follows for non-specialist staff in Document 33-A. Effects may be reviewed in Document 33-Q. Document 33-A, Debriefing of Professor Hutchinson after first observation. Transcript edited for clarity. Professor Hutchinson: every school child knows that 2 plus 2 is 4. Solid mathematical certainty of numerical order and value of the basis for all logic-based systems. We know that after 2 comes 3, and after 3 comes 4. What this formula proves is that we missed a number somewhere. Imagine if all of our technology was based on the belief that after 4 came 6. We simply didn't know or conceive of 5. That is, in essence, what this formula proves. We missed a number. I can't tell you why the handcrafted vellum works best. I can only surmise that it displaces mathematical predictability in 2 ways. 1. The irregularity of the crafting process due to human error serves to eliminate any traces of regularity that would be found in a machine-created product. 2. The irregular borders seem to confuse it somehow, as if it gets locked up in looking for a pattern to identify and use as an escape hatch. I'll tell you this though, I don't think that it should be left on anything longer than a few days. It will find a pattern eventually. I don't think it destroys anything. I think it tries integrating itself into our system and our system can't hold it. It's like trying to cram another book into a full bookshelf. If you get a hammer, you can get it in there, but the whole shelf bursts eventually. If it gets out into the internet, it will potentially experience a full IT infrastructure collapse within hours. Document 33-Q. Test results. Trial 33-Delta-5. SCP-33 inscribed onto a single sheet of standard 8.5 by 11-inch manufactured white copy paper, hereafter X1. A second sheet of identical paper, hereafter X2, placed 30 centimeters away. After 80 seconds, symbols consistent with the content of SCP-33 began appearing on X2, X1 unchanged. After 160 seconds, full content of SCP-33's formulae appear on the surface of X2, X1 unchanged. After 320 seconds, X1 and X2 appear wet, symbols still visible. After 640 seconds, X1 is now roughly 1 part, apparently, water and 5 parts pulp-like substance, still filling an 8.5 by 11-inch flat plane. Symbols become unintelligible. X2 still appears wet. Symbols are visible. After 1,280 seconds, X1 no longer visible at all. Liquid part appears to have evaporated. Pulp-like substance apparently sublimated. X2 now roughly 1 part liquid and 5 parts pulp-like substance, still filling an 8.5 by 11-inch flat plane. Symbols unintelligible. After 2,560 seconds, X2 no longer visible at all. Liquid part appears to have evaporated. Pulp-like substance apparently sublimated.